Good morning everyone. My name is Abhishek. Today we are going to discuss the topic of quantitative aptitude, and the name of the topic is permutation and combination. Okay, first part we have already covered, where we have already discussed some problem based on permutation, and in this session we are going to discuss the permutation on the words, right? Or in other words we can say that the permutation of letters, right? Okay. So, all in permutation, what we were doing earlier, we were just arranging the objects or things in some orders based on some conditions, right? Okay. So here we do have the arrangement of letters in words. Okay. So my first question to you is, suppose I give you a word and the name of the word is alive, right? The word is ALIVE. The word is alive, and the question is, in how many ways the letters of the word alive can be written? That means my question is number of ways of the letters of the word alive can be written. Okay, you can think about this question as we were discussing in that object based arrangement when we were arranging 5 books on a table, right? So here we do have 5 different letters and we have to arrange on 5 different places. So if I take 5 places, so suppose these are 5 places, at this place any of these 5 letters can be placed. So the possibility is of 5 letters. If one letter has been placed here, the possibility of this place is of 4 letters, 3, 2 and 1, right? And everyone, when we have and the condition in permutation and combination, we just have to multiply the things. So ultimately what we are going to do here, we are going to just multiply all this, so answer will be 120. So as we are looking to the question was, in how many ways I can write the letters of the word alive, or in how many ways I can arrange the letters of the word alive, right? Okay. So second question can be asked, that how many new words can be made by the letters of the word alive, right? How many new words can be made by the letters of the word alive? So if I ask you this question, so this is very obvious that the number of arrangement of letters will be is equal to the number of new words that can be made. The number of words that can be made will be is equal to the total number of arrangement minus 1, because one word alive is also there and we have to tell the new words that can be made. So answer will be 120 minus 1, that is 119, right? Okay, coming to the second question, wherein we have a word apple, APPLE, and we have to tell the number of arrangements. Number of arrangement in which we can write the letters of the word apple. So as we are looking in the word apple, the letter P has been repeated 2 times and total number of letters in the word is 5. So answer will be factorial 5, because we have to arrange 5 letters, and divide by factorial 2, because the repetition of P has been done 2 times. So answer will be, the value of factorial 5 will be 120, and 120 divided by 2, this will be 60. So your answer will be 60, right? Okay. So our next word is material, and in this word material, what we have to do, we have to arrange the letters of the word material such that all the vowels come together. So if we, like, what we have to do, all vowels come together. So for this, what will we have to do? We have to first segregate all the vowels and consonant. If we check all the vowels and consonant, so the vowels are A, E, I, A, and consonants are M, T, R, and L, right? So when arranging all the vowels, so this can be done in this can be done in factorial 4 divided by factorial 2 ways, and I have to arrange all the vowels with the consonant. So consonant are 4, and if we take the group of vowels, so in that case I will have to arrange 5 things. 5 things will be arranged in factorial 5 ways, right? And the total answer will be factorial 5 multiplied by factorial 4 divided by factorial 2. When solving this will give us 1440, right? Okay, second question that can be asked in the same variety, like the word is material, and now the question is in how many ways the letters of the word vowel can be written such that all the vowels never come together. All the vowels never come together. If you have remembered the same scenario we have already done in object based arrangement. So for this, what we have to do, we have to find out all the arrangements. So total number of arrangement are factorial 8 divided by factorial 2. Factorial 8 because the total number of letters in the word material is 8, and minus the arrangement, number of arrangement in which all the vowels are together. So final answer will be factorial 8 divided by factorial 2 minus 1440, right? Okay, coming to the next question. So our fourth word is Bengali, right? Bengali, right? And in the word Bengali, what we have to do, we have to arrange all the letters of the word Bengali such that all the vowels come together. So for this, what we have to do, we have to first segregate all the vowels and consonant. If we check out that the number of vowels, so number of vowels are E, A and I. This will be arranged in factorial 3 ways. And if we check the number of consonants, the number of consonants are B, N, G, L. And if we arrange all the consonant with this vowel, if we arrange all the vowels with this consonant, this will be arranged in factorial 5 ways, right? And total number of arrangement will be factorial 3 multiplied by factorial 5. If we check the value of factorial 3, this will be 6, and value of factorial 5, this will be 12. So final answer will be 720, right? In the same question, if we find out that the total number of arrangement of the letters of the word Bengali such that all the vowels never come together. So for this, what we have to do, we have to first find out that the total number of arrangement. So total number of arrangements are Bengali, and that means 7 letters are there, and none of the letter has been repeated. So the total number of arrangements are factorial 7 and minus 720. If we find out the value of factorial 7, this will be 5040 and minus 720. So this will be simply your 4320. So answer will be 4320. So I guess we can do the question like when all the vowels come together and all the vowels never come together, right? Okay, coming to the next variety of question. So our next word is details. Details, details. And this word details, what we have to do, we have to arrange the letters of the word details such that all the vowels occupy only even positions. Such that all the vowels occupy only even position. So when we are talking about the positions, so first we know that the positions always start from this place and go forward. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Right? first position will be always odd, then even, odd, even, odd, even, and odd, right? And if we segregate the vowels and consonant, so number of vowels are E, A, I, and the number of consonants are D, T, L, S, that is 4, right? So first, in this question we have to arrange the letters of the word details such that all the vowels occupy even positions. The total number of vowels are 3 and total number of even positions are 3. So we have to just arrange 3 vowels in 3 positions. So this will be simply done in factorial 3 ways, right? And if we come to the next part of the question, the remaining consonant, those are left with us. Those are 4 vowels, 4 consonants, and we have to arrange 4 consonants at 4 places. So this will be done in factorial 4 ways. And coming to the answer, this will be factorial 3 multiplied by factorial 4. The value of factorial 3 will be 6 and value of factorial 4 will be 24. So solving this, answer will be 144, right? Okay, let us take one more question over here. The question is like MEADOWS, meadows, right? Meadows, and we have to arrange the letters of the word meadows such that all the vowels occupy even position. All the vowels occupy even positions. So for this, first of all, check how many even positions are there. This is the first place, and first place always starts with odd position. So this is odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, and odd, right? So and the number of vowels, those are with us, that's E, A, O, that means these are 3 vowels. And if we check the number of consonant are M, D, W, S, right? So we have to arrange 3 vowels on 3 places. So when arranging 3 vowels on 3 places, this will be simply done in factorial 3 ways. And arranging 4 consonant and 4 odd places, this will be simply done in factorial 4 ways. The value of factorial 3 will be 6 and value of factorial 4 will be 24. So when multiplying this, the answer will be 144, right? Okay, one more question I would like to discuss with you, right? Okay, so the word is assassination, ASSASSINATION. The word is assassination. And what we have to do, we have to arrange all the letters of the word assassination such that all the vowels come together. So for this, what we have to do, we have to just segregate all the vowels and consonant first. The vowels are A, I, O, and the consonant are S, N, T, N. These are the consonants. When arranging all the vowels, so this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means factorial 6 divided by the repetition of letter A is 3 times. So this will be factorial 6 divided by factorial 3. And also the repetition of the letter I is 2 times. So this will be factorial 3 multiplied by factorial 2, right? And thereafter we have to arrange all the vowels together. So we have to add 1 with this number of consonants. So how many consonants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Because we have to arrange the group of all the vowels. So factorial 8 divided by the repetition of S is of 4 times, that means factorial 4, and reproduction of n is of 2 times, that means factorial 2. For final answer, we will have to multiply all this. This means factorial 6 divided by factorial 3, multiply by factorial 2, and multiply by factorial 8 divided by factorial 4 multiply by factorial 2. In other words, you can find the options like factorial 6 multiply by factorial 8 divided by factorial 4 multiply by factorial 4. Or in other words, you can find the option in the form factorial 6 divided by factorial 8 multiply by factorial 4 to the power 2. Right? So this was all about the lattice based arrangement in permutation. Right? One more variety of permutation is left with us, that is the arrangement of digits in numbers. Right? Okay.